about how the Kerala Congress must strengthen itself. But there clearly seems to be fresh trouble brewing within the state Congress. It's well known, but he's one of the most prominent faces of the Kerala Congress, Shashi Tharoor. And as Rahul Gandhi was in Kerala, he is said to have snubbed Shashi Tharoor completely, did not acknowledge his presence whatsoever, which led to Shashi Tharoor being upset and then walking out as well. So Shashi Tharoor reportedly upset over being sidelined at the key public event that was attended by Rahul Gandhi. Sources say that Shashi Tharoor felt snubbed during this Kerala Pradesh Congress Committee's Mahapanchayat. There was no handshake with Rahul Gandhi, no stage interaction, no mention of even his name when Rahul Gandhi arrived and addressed the gathering. So Shashi Tharoor was already speaking when Rahul Gandhi walked in, but the leader of opposition did not even acknowledge him during this entire speech, even as the other senior leaders were in fact mentioned by Rahul Gandhi. So sources say that while the leader spoke in Rahul Gandhi's presence, Shashi Tharoor stopped his address upon Rahul Gandhi's arrival and was later left out entirely. Now this is being seen as a very clear insult by the senior MP, who is not very happy with it. Now it has also fueled speculation of further internal discord within the party. In fact, we've learned that Shashi Tharoor had also earlier sought guidance of the program, asking whether he should accompany Rahul Gandhi or go directly to the venue. And he was instructed to report only at the program and deliver his speech before Rahul Gandhi's arrival. So did the Congress party put all things together in place to ensure that there is no real interaction between Rahul Gandhi and Shashi Tharoor? And is all of this because in the recent times, Shashi Tharoor has differed with the Congress party on multiple occasions. He has also praised the government on multiple occasions. You'd also remember the visual of the Prime Minister greeting Shashi Tharoor very warmly. Now contrast that with Rahul Gandhi, the leader of the party. When he is in town, he did not even acknowledge Shashi Tharoor at all. We have in fact more breaking updates now coming in because the issue has taken a political turn. The BJP has slammed the Congress, calling the party divided, and has said that there clearly seems to be a very big divide within the Congress party.
After getting a Maha snub at the Mahapanchayat of Congress party in Kerala, now there seems to be a Maha Yudh in Kerala Congress, with Shashi Tharoor ji planning to boycott the other meetings with the leadership. This was bound to happen. Congress has become tukde in probably every state that it operates in. We have seen Karnataka Congress, D.K. Shivkumar versus Siddaramaiah. We have seen Gehlot Congress versus Pilot Congress. We have seen Sukhu Congress versus...
So what's the reason for this? We ask because there have been multiple occasions where Shashi Tharoor has differed with the Congress line. And it's not like he did not take the Congress line for the government. He, in fact, made these statements talking about the country. So here is what he said most recently, of course, in December 2025. He spoke about the transformation that Bihar has witnessed in the recent times. And then he, remember, had also attended Putin's dinner, which Rahul was not in attendance for. So that had also given speculation that all is not well within the Congress party. But previously as well, he had quoted the Prime Minister's address and had said that this is an address for the cultural call to action. He had seemed to be praising the Prime Minister's speech, which again did not seem to go down too well with the Congress leaders. Previously, he had termed Trump's dead economy remark an insult, whereas Rahul Gandhi, if you remember, had actually echoed Trump and had said that, yes, India's economy is dead. But Shashi Tharoor had corrected that and said that the mention of dead economy for India is actually an insult. Previously as well, he has also called emergency a dark chapter. So are these the reasons why Rahul Gandhi seemed to be avoiding Shashi Tharoor completely during his visit to Kerala? That's the question. But after this snub, the Congress party is only further inflicting more damage. We are breaking updates now coming in because after being sidelined by Rahul, Shashi Tharoor suddenly does not seem to be a big leader for the Congress party. The Congress leader Sandeep Dixit says all strong leaders from Kerala and those relevant to the party are part of the meeting of the Congress party, adding that it doesn't make a difference if leaders who are not major figures or not relevant to the party are absent from it.
अब देखिए, जितने भी हमारे मजबूत नेता केरला के हैं जो कांग्रेस के लिए रेलेवेंट हैं, वो सब आ रहे हैं। जो रेलेवेंट नहीं है कांग्रेस के लिए और जो हम कांग्रेस के बड़े नेता नहीं हैं, वो आए या ना आए उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है।
So, Niyamika, Shashi Tharoor is the face of the Kerala Congress, suddenly not a big leader for the party? Okay, all right. We don't seem to have Niyamika on that, but interesting statement that has come in from the Congress party that has gone on to say that Shashi Tharoor is not a big leader. He's the face of the Congress in Kerala. Now, things have not been too well for the Kerala Congress yet, but clearly it doesn't look like now things are going too well for the Congress party. All right, with that, it's time for us to slip into a very short break here. We'll be right back.